This is Yanto, and today I'm at the Tour of Britain, and I'm here as well for Geraint Thomas's last professional race. So I'm here to give him some long COVID support. Let's do this.
Garcia and Paulo Fernandez, your team Unicolor, Team 21.
Riders down on the start. What a beautiful day here in Wales. 15 to 18 degrees Celsius is our forecast today. 59 to 65 degrees. We're riding home. We're rolling out for the neutralised section. We have 8.3 kilometres of neutral today.
After the riders had left Pontypool, I took a nice little stroll up the Tulmore climb near Blenavon to catch up with the action there.
So it depends here on how they play it, because we start to level off, we start to get exposed where the headwind will have an impact and make it harder for any attacks to stick.
Towards the summit, Evenepoel coming through at the top of the tumble. Remco Evenepoel takes the win ahead of Glog and Onley.
As the day came to an end, I made my way home, and in doing so, I came across some local cyclists who had run into some bother, so I offered my support in the best way that I know how. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up, don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Twice Olympic champion, Commonwealth Games champion, and much, much more. We welcome Geraint Thomas onto the start line.
plan was to drive from Newport to Caerphilly Mountain to catch up with the peloton there before driving on to the planned celebration in Cardiff Castle. At least that was my plan, until this happened.
I have to ask you for your surname and name.
Paul's taken mine. Gareth Evans.
Yeah, please. Can you repeat, please?
Gareth Evans.
Gareth Evans. Thank you very much for cooperation.
Yeah, yeah. Just to let you know, there's a road closures in place. So people are being directed down here on the sat nav.
I understand. I just doing my work. Yeah.
Yeah.
In my eagerness to get to Caerphilly Mountain and the numerous road closures in place, I decided to take an alternative route, which somehow managed to take me through some private industrial land that was being used as a film set. I was stopped by security, had my details taken. I had to wait until security could escort me off the property. Not ideal. Fearing I may have missed my chance, I decided to enlist the help of a friend.
Justin, all right, fella? Yeah, not bad. Look, do us a favour. The riders are heading up to Caerphilly Mountain and I'm here stuck in Newport. Is there anything you can do to stall them for me? Well, I don't know, think of something. All right, nice one, bud. Ta-ra, mate. Ta-ra.
Anybody who wants to move up has to... Oh, that's not ideal, is it? A herd of
cow
cows.
crossing.
Crikey.
So unfortunately...
So anybody who was out of position knows now knows what's up against them. They know that a crosswind section is just round the corner because they can feel it.
Despite Justin's best efforts, I wasn't able to make it to Caerphilly Mountain. Instead, I joined the race just outside the town. Meanwhile, on Caerphilly Mountain,
comes like that, very few come off his wheel. Olaf Koy from the front to the back
of Geraint Thomas. What a rider, Lizzie. I'll let you, I mean, what a career, what a man.
Yeah, I'm also emotional watching him. What a moment for him. He really deserves this. Yeah, he's, you know, this is...
So I've made it to Cardiff in the end, and the sun has finally decided to come out. But for me, all that's left to say is Jelf G, Cog Hoyle. See you next time.